5:30 p.m. At 4:48 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Ashland, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Columbia Regional Airport around 4:55 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include New Bloomfield and Fulton. This includes Interstate 70 in Missouri between exits 144 and 148. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.